Welcome to the Laidback Mat. Yogito will be assisting me today. We're having a short, fun celebration. We're going to be up, we're going to be down, we're going to be moving. Lots of flow going. This is beginner friendly. So take your time, only do what feels good to you. Big inhale up, send your fingertip overhead, and exhale them back down. Now inhale your arms up and 1 foot forward. You can touch the ground, of course. Exhale your hands to your hip. Inhale tall through the chest. Exhale that knee towards your chest. Yes, you can grab it if you want. And exhale it down. Inhale, arm up, other foot points towards the front. Exhale your fingertip down. Inhale, tall chest through the crown of the head. Exhale, knee comes in, take extra breath. If you need, play with your balance. You may move your hands around here to add a little more challenge, or just stay put. Maybe looking at something small on the ground to keep your balance. I hope you're still breathing, right? Exhale that foot down. Yoga should be fun. We should be having fun doing yoga. But also be very mindful of our body and only do what feels good to you. So let's bring our big toe in just a little bit. Place your feet in Tadasana, mountain pose, as if you were going to walk. Nothing complicated. Inhale your fingertip up. Exhale. Let's bend the knee, but send our bum back. We don't want our knee to pass our toes, so let's shift our weight back. Now take your tailbone and then round it up just a little bit. Place your hands up. Catch a little love and exhale your hands to your heart. Inhale, press in your feet a little bit. Exhale from the lower spine. Just curve a little bit and maybe exhaling down. Inhale, back up. Exhale, other side, very slow. Turn your head left. See if your legs are staying parallel with each other here. Press in your hand, press in your feet, and inhale, come back up. Exhale, release the arms. Again, big inhale up. Exhale, forward fold. Plant your hands, plant your knees down. Bring your hands a little bit forward and your knee back. Tuck in your toes. Press in your hands, down dog. Just lift your bum up. And then press in your hands. So lower the chest down a little bit. And here bend the knee as much as you want. Your heels, my heels are not touching the ground. If you do want them to do so, maybe walk forward a little bit. Nice little stretch in the calf. Maybe continue walking and we want to be in monkey instead. And it's a real pose. Little monkey, neck is relaxed. Bend your knees here because your legs, I'm sure, are longer than your arms, right? Inhale, 1 foot back. Exhale, the other foot back. And send your bum up and away again. Down dog. Hello, Yogito. Bend your knee. And exhale forward. You can jump or walk to the front of your mat. Press in your feet. Big inhale up. And exhale. Arms come down. Inhale. Arms come back up. Exhale your arm. Foot goes to the side this time. Inhale the arm back up. Maybe the foot wants to inhale up too. Maybe not. That's okay. Exhale everything down. Bring the foot near the other. Inhale your hands. Other side. Maybe touch the ground with your tip toe. Exhale. Place the foot back. Mountain pose. Inhale. Maybe tiptoe to the side just a little bit. And exhale. Now let's repeat that. We're going to have the small side bend. But I want you to think before you move all the time. So inhale your arms up. Exhale. Bring the tiptoe. Let's bring our hands to our hip. That's like our shoulders getting tired here, right? And maybe exhaling towards the stretched legs and looking at our shoulder, or without forcing. You don't want to ever force. Just look to the side, maybe back a little bit. Now bend that knee that is elongate and press in your toe. Inhale back up, feet together. Inhale tall, exhale, other foot to the side. Little back bend towards the leg that's bent for now. Maybe opening the shoulder this time a little bit. See if it wants to go there. Now bend the knee a little bit. Press in the foot. Inhale back up. Feet back together. Big inhale up. Exhale. Foot to the side again. We're heading a little bit. Inhale your arm up, but this time we're going towards the standing leg. My standing leg is going towards my elongate one. That's where my muscles are pulling right now, keeping me straight. Maybe opening the shoulder a little bit, keeping my legs straight. Inhale back up, bring your toes together. Exhale the arms down, other side. Inhale, exhale, and down. Maybe going the other way towards your standing leg. Maybe you want to go back where you were before, and that's your choice. Open that shoulder a little bit. You're not going to turn out crooked if you did the same side twice here and there. As if you did that every single day, that'd be one thing. Inhale your fingertip up. Exhale, both feet towards each other, and comes down. Thank you for watching. You can visit my Patreon page. It is called the Laidback Mat. Namaste.